Watching NewsX with me, Riya Dwivedi. Now let's begin with some breaking news coming in. Now, Prime Minister Narendra Modi has flagged off 4 new Vande Bharat Express trains in his parliamentary constituency Varanasi, Uttar Pradesh, and he inaugurated the new trains on the Banaras, Khajuraho, Lucknow, Saharanpur, Firozpur, Delhi and Ernakulam, Bangalore routes. PM Modi also said that these Vande Bharat trains will enhance connectivity and provide greater comfort for citizens. So that's what we are getting to know at this point of time. Now joining me on the telecast is my colleague Abhishek Singh. Abhishek, we are seeing that Prime Minister Narendra Modi is currently in Kashi, and those are the live shots that we can also see, viewers, on your screens in terms of PM Modi flagging of Vande Bharat Express trains. Abhishek, what exactly is the agenda of Prime Minister's visit to Kashi? What exactly other development projects he'll be inaugurating that you're getting to know at this point of time?
Yes, Prime Minister Narendra Modi has flagged off 4 Vande Bharat train, and we are here at the Banaras railway station, where few minutes back Pradhan Mantri Narendra Modi has flagged off the trains and moved to Bihar. Public addressing in Bihar is going to be held near about 11 o'clock, and so Pradhan Mantri Narendra Modi has moved to Bihar. He has given a big gift to not only the people of Varanasi, his constituency. Of course, he has visited the 53rd time in Varanasi, and he has given 4 new Vande Bharat Express trains which will connect major cities across the India, and expected that these trains, the first train will be moving from Varanasi to Khajuraho, which has been human civilization's a big spot, and also he has visited Varanasi. He has reached Varanasi last evening, and during that, people of Varanasi were so much excited that they were showering flowers on him, and today he has addressed the people who are there in the station. You can see the visuals right now where we are standing, and here only Pradhan Mantri Narendra Modi has given a big gift of 4 new Vande Bharat train to not only the people of Varanasi but also to people of Uttar Pradesh, and 4 new different verticals, 4 new different routes where these fast trains are going to be moving.
And Abhishek, as you're on the ground, what exactly is the reaction and the pulse on the ground in terms of the people when Prime Minister Modi has arrived? How exactly is the situation in terms of that?
People of Varanasi are pretty much excited, and they are so happy. You can see, we will just learn from them. We will just talk to some of them, how they are feeling, what are their current feelings. Few minutes back Pradhan Mantri Narendra Modi was here. भाई साहब, कैसा लग रहा है प्रधानमंत्री जी यहाँ मौजूद?
आज काशी के लिए बहुत गौरव का क्षण है, जो इंफ्रास्ट्रक्चर के विकास में हमारे आदरणीय सांसद और यशस्वी प्रधानमंत्री जी जो हमारे काशी के साथ साथ पूरे देश को दे रहे हैं, इससे पूरे देश के लोग एक गांव की तरह हो जाएंगे और हर लोगों का आवागमन इतना आसान हो जाएगा, सुखद हो जाएगा, जिससे कि कहीं भी जाकर के वो अपने देश के विकास में योगदान दे सकते हैं। व्यापार के रूप में, तकनीकी के रूप में, शिक्षा के रूप में, जिस रूप में देखिए, और काशी शिव की नगरी है, और हमारे यशस्वी प्रधानमंत्री शिव के क्रियाकलाप में बस करके मां गंगे के गोद में जो काशी का विकास कर रहे हैं, वो अद्भुत है, अनुपम है और परम अनुकरणीय है। हर हर महादेव।
आज कुछ कह भी रहे थे प्रधानमंत्री, क्या कह रहे थे आप लोग?
बोलिए। प्रधानमंत्री जी बनारस के विकास के लिए विगत 14-15 वर्षों से इतना कार्य किए हैं कि बनारस की जनता अभिभूत है।
देखिए, वंदे भारत एक्सप्रेस जो है, 7वां वंदे भारत मोदी जी ने बनारस में दिया। ये हम लोगों के लिए बहुत खुशी की बात है कि बनारस से मेंबर ऑफ पार्लियामेंट है नरेंद्र मोदी जी। पूरे विश्व में कोई प्रधानमंत्री ऐसा नहीं होगा जो अपने क्षेत्र में इतना काम किया होगा। 65,000 करोड़ से रोड हो, बिजली हो, पानी हो, घाट की सफाई हो, मेट्रो, रोपवे, हर चीज यहाँ पे नरेंद्र मोदी जी ने दिया। इसके लिए हम लोग उनको आभार व्यक्त करते हैं कि बनारस का विकास ऐसे करते रहें और जितनी बार जिंदा रहे तब तक यहाँ से सांसद वो बने रहे।
We are just connecting to some more people here. How are you feeling? थोड़ी देर पहले प्रधानमंत्री जी
Fantastic. It was a wonderful feeling for us that because Pradhan Mantri is coming here for the giving the that kind of things, whatever the people can't imagine कि हम कभी भी यहाँ से direct
Speed and
खजुराहो.
comfort together.
Very amazing, amazing. Nobody can imagine कि हम directly यहाँ से खजुराहो कभी भी जा सकते हैं. बहुत सारा प्रेशर होता था, हमें कंसर्न करना पड़ता था, डिसाइड करना पड़ता था, so that we are feeling comfortable.
Ma'am, how are you feeling? Pradhan Mantri was here. He was telling you people around here, and people are very much excited. Also, we were showing last evening. People were showering flowers on him.
It is always a pleasure to welcome Kashi ke Sansad back to Kashi, and always he has been a very, very, very sought after politician. So leaving all our work, and we wanted to come and just have a glimpse of it. Trust me, a Pradhan Mantri of this stature and coming to meet even local people is commendable. उनका यहाँ का आना, उनके अपनी काशी में काशी के आम जनता के बारे में बात करना, यकीन मानिए अगर हम लोग इस कहते हैं कि अगर हमारा जन्म उनके साथ हुआ है तो हमारा जन्म धन्य हो
All
गया।
right.
And what about the combination of comfort and speed of Vande Bharat? 4 Vande Bharat trains here.
It is the dream of becoming Viksit Bharat, and trust me, आने वाला समय is India is becoming the powerhouse of the world. आज हमारी तूती हर जगह बोल रही है। मेक इन इंडिया वंदे भारत को कई देशों ने अपने देश में लाने के लिए भी संकल्प ले लिया है। तो यकीन मानिए, future is ours, future is India.
Yes, you are just
All right,
learning from
Abhishek.
people who are not only excited but just waiting from hours to just see a glimpse of Pradhan Mantri Narendra Modi.
All right, Abhishek. Thank you so much for joining us on the telecast.